Hello, my name is Phát. I'm 7 years old.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yes, a cow.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yes, a bee.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yes, a chicken.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yes, a horse.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yes, a sheep.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a duck.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yes, a goat.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a dog.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a cat.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a rabbit. Goodbye.